I want to welcome you to the Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. On this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money and how to better your life in various ways. And throughout the month of February, I'm teaching you how to make money online, and in the month of August also, I will teach you how to make money online. Now, I've been talking about affiliate marketing since the beginning of this February, and people have been asking me so many questions. One of the questions that I got is, what is affiliate marketing? Despite I've done a video on affiliate marketing, somebody is still asking me that question, and because of that, I am going to be answering that question in this video today. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals known as affiliates or publishers earn a commission by promoting products or services of other companies, of other merchants or advertisers. It's a symbolic relationship, symbiotic relationship, or it is a mutualistic relationship where affiliates earn a commission for every sale, lead, or action generated through their marketing efforts. Now, let me explain to you how affiliate marketing typically works. Number one is affiliate sign up. Affiliates sign up for an affiliate program offered by a merchant. This can be done through affiliate networks or directly on a merchant's website. Number two is selection of products or services. Affiliates choose products or services they want to promote from the merchant's offerings. These products should be relevant to the affiliate's content or audience. Number three is unique affiliate links. Upon joining the affiliate program, affiliates are provided with unique tracking links. These links help track the traffic and sales generated by each affiliate. Number four is promotion and marketing. Affiliates use various marketing channels to promote the products, services that they are going to sell. This can include blog content, social media marketing, email campaigns, videos, and more. Now, I've talked about blog content. I've told you that you should not use blog to promote your affiliate links if you are not savvy technically. Because by the time you buy blog from somebody, you buy the domain name, you buy the hosting, someone designed a website for you, and you don't know how to renew. You don't know much about it. When you want to renew, that person will be collecting money from you. If there's any technical problem with the web, with the blog, the person will charge you. If you are making money from the blog, the person will charge you to the extent that at a particular point, the person can just freeze the blog, and then what is next? You will ask me to bring some money to fix something, just like mechanics that fix people's cars and thereabout. So now you are looking, maybe later when you have made money and you learn some things about blogging, about the technique, the back end of the blogging, you can go into blogging. But for the start, you can start a YouTube channel, and in starting a YouTube channel to promote your affiliate links, I can train you. Just check on this YouTube channel, go and check all my YouTube playlists. My YouTube playlist and my YouTube videos of how to start and how to do this, how to promote everything is on the blog and YouTube and affiliate links playlist. Check it out and follow it step by steps, and you start practicalizing what I've said. Another note, instead of starting a YouTube channel, you can go ahead using Quora, using Facebook, using Twitter, using different social media that are already existent, even in other land, if you're in Nigeria, even Reddit, anywhere you are in the world. Even you can also use LinkedIn, you can use Instagram, you can use Twitter to promote your affiliate links. All this you can check the blog, YouTube, and affiliate links video that I have on this channel, the playlist, and you are going to see all this, how you are going to do it on that playlist. So after you have promoted and you have marketed the affiliate links, now the next thing is the customer clicks on affiliate links. When a potential customer clicks on an affiliate's unique tracking link, a cookie is placed on their device. This cookie helps track the customer's activity, conversion, and commission. If the customer makes a purchase or completes a desired action, such as filling out a form, the affiliate earns a commission. The commission structure varies and can be based on a percentage of the sale, a fixed amount, or other arrangements. Number 7 is tracking and analytics. Affiliate programs use tracking tools and analytics to monitor the performance of affiliate links. Affiliates can access reports to see clicks, conversions, and earnings. Number 8 is payouts. Affiliates receive payouts based on the agreed upon terms Payments may be made monthly, bi-weekly, or according to the affiliate program schedule. You see, I need to tell you something. That people that produce goods and services anywhere in the world, they cannot on their own market the product and services. So they need marketers. Even different companies, soft drink company that make different things. Farmers are not the one that usually market their goods and services by themselves. There are people that go to the farmers and take all the goods and services and bring it. Even every producer in the world, they need marketers to move their product from where the production, the manufacturing point to the point where it is going to be bought. So they link up. So that is the role of the affiliate marketer. Key components of affiliate marketing are as follows. Number one is the merchant or advertiser. The company or business that owns the products or services being promoted through affiliate marketing is called the merchant or the advertiser. Now, number two component of affiliate marketing is affiliate publisher, affiliate or publisher. The individual or entity that promotes the merchant's products and earns a commission for referred customers. That is what we call affiliate or publisher. Then affiliate network is a platform that connects merchants with affiliates. It helps manage tracking payments and other aspects of the affiliate relationships. Now there are a lot of affiliate networks like impact.com, share a sale, and many others. Some you have to go to the company by directly. In some cases now you have affiliate network, so they have a lot of companies that want to do that are looking for affiliate marketers. So all these companies who have affiliate marketers, they've come to that affiliate network. So like 1,000 companies will be inside a single affiliate network that help them to market their products. Now the next thing is commission. Commission is the amount of money an affiliate earns for each successful sale, lead, or action. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way for businesses to increase their reach and sales, while affiliates can monetize their online presence by promoting products they believe in. To put you through on the best affiliate programs to choose and how to go about setting it up, I have some people working with me on that. We will guide you on how you can successfully create your affiliate accounts. We will also guide you on how to get accepted by companies to promote or to become their affiliates. This is the hardest part. We will guide you until you make your first payout. We are going to charge you 30,000 Naira only to identify profitable affiliate programs based on experience and how to join them and make money. This coaching will change your financial status. Anyone who pays within 30 days of this program will get a rebate of 5,000. That means if you pay between now and the next 30 days, you're going to pay 25,000. But after then, it's 30,000. Anyone who pays within 30 days of this program will get a rebate of 5,000. Anyone who refer people will get 5,000 per person that registers. If you don't have money, talk to 6 people to register, talk to 5 people to register. When you talk to 5 people to register, you get 5,000 from them as the person that brought them, and then you make 25,000, which you are going to use to pay for your own. So that is how to do it, and already that is what is called affiliate marketing. That is how affiliate marketing works. I will stop here for now while I allow you to digest all this information and make a good decision to start. As promised, all through this month of January, I will bring you content on affiliate marketing. Subscribe to this channel, ask a question in the comment section below, like this video and share the link of this video. See you in the next video.